What's up, y'all? QFC. It's currently 98 degrees in Houston, Texas, and it feels like 106 because of the humidity, and the AC doesn't work. But we got a new install though. So this is a Hampton Huntington 2 with an upgraded motor. This fan went from a 153 by 18, I believe, to a 188 by 15. And I also upgraded the wiring inside. Not gonna give away how I do that yet, but yeah, this install for right now is permanent. This replaced the original, and it's a good reason for that. And before y'all get mad, this actually blows more air. And let me explain. Well, I mean, I already did, so. Here's the light. These shades aren't original, but they look better than the original shades. And I also got these pull chains from my friend. I got this whole fan from my friend Michael, actually. We're gonna start off on low. I'm gonna try to film these fans at a lower angle for like a better view or something. Low speed and medium speed, those are the speeds that's kind of been untouched. Really, I just only upgraded high speed. For the medium. Yeah, by the looks of it, it's already starting to sag a little bit. But I keep these maintained, but like I'm not gonna keep this one maintained just to see how droopy it gets. So I'll actually come back in a couple of months to make a remake on this fan. That's if we still live here. So medium speed and low speed, they're kind of they're kind of just regular speeds. And again, she wants to bite me for some reason. So let's go up to high speed. Absolutely fucking flies. Sorry for my profanity for the younger kids watching. This absolutely flies. And it does get the job done, best believe that. It is kind of weird saying that a Hampton Bay is outblowing the original, but I can just make that happen. It does wobble a bit. Probably because of the slightly sagging blades. Well, let me demonstrate the light first. Turn this one up. Just some dimmable LEDs. Nothing really special for the light bulbs. And what's in the lamp is just a regular floodlight. Just turn this off. Thank you all for watching.